What's going on, guys? It's Coach Angelo here. Today we're gonna make an amazing anabolic high protein dessert for you guys. For this recipe, the ingredients you're gonna need: chocolate whey, protein, cocoa powder, baking soda, pumpkin, all natural peanut butter, sugar-free chocolate syrup, cocoa flour, 0-calorie sweetener. To begin, we are going to weigh up first 200 grams of our pumpkin. Next, we need 65 grams of chocolate whey. And now, we're going to do 10 grams coconut flour. Oh, sorry, we're going to do 30 grams of coconut flour. 30 grams, that's probably 2 tablespoons. Okay, next we're going to grab 10 grams of cocoa. Right there. And next we're going to do 3 grams of baking soda or baking powder. And then we're going to do 32 grams of natural peanut butter. This is just going to help with the texture and just make it a lot more smooth. And then we need 10 grams of calorie-free sweetener. And then the last ingredient, we need 40 grams of 0 sugar or 0 calorie chocolate syrup. And then once all that's done, it's gonna look like this. And then we're just gonna stir it all together. You can see it's fully mixed. So I kinda had to use a spatula to get it a little bit more deeper. We're gonna make sure it's mixed properly. So you want to preheat your oven to 350. Grab yourself an 8x8 tray, and you're gonna spray it, and then you're gonna pour it in there. So we put it in there. So for now we're gonna whip up the second batch and put it in the second tray. As you can see, we got 2 of them. Now, this is an optional ingredient if you want to add. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 15 grams of chiplets. So I already have it weighed out. So we're going to have 15 grams for each of them. Preheat your oven to 350. You want to put it in the oven for between 15 to 18 minutes. You put it for 15 if you want a little bit more gooey, but if you want it a bit more firm, you put it for 18. So let's put it in. And now we wait. Alright guys, so as you can see, the final product is done. We're gonna cut it. As you can see, that's the texture. So, looks moist. Now, for one bar itself, you're looking at a bar like this. You're looking at only 100 calories, 8 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, and literally only 3 grams of fat. This is literally almost the same thing as having a protein bar. Try this recipe out. We already have the Oreo Blizzard that we're gonna put on top, and I'm gonna show you guys an ultimate dessert. Now, if you guys want to see how to make this, let me know in the comment section below. So for now, we're gonna put these in the bowls and make an epic Blizzard brownie sundae. And now, the very final product, as you can see right here, we have our anabolic Oreo brownie blizzard. Total calories for this entire meal right here. So we made the brownie plus the ice cream, and we made extra. This meal itself, you're looking at only 378 calories, 43 grams of carb, 33 grams of protein, and only 9 grams of fat. You go to Dairy Queen, you're looking at 1,000 calories. Less than 500 calories. So, when you know your way around the kitchen, you literally eat this every single day on a diet. And you guys can then add in some more toppings if you want. PBD powder and chocolate syrup. I'm gonna enjoy this. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. And again, hope you guys enjoy this. Take care.